UFlex is India's largest flexible packaging company. We are market leader in flexible packaging and multiple other forms of packaging. We are also completely backward integrated, right from the packaging to polymers. One of the divisions of UFlex is FlexiTubes, where we sort of integrate the capabilities of UFlex in flexible packaging and reverse printing, and we integrate that into tubes which are completely different from what is conventionally available in the market, and that's something that we are showcasing here in this exhibition. These tubes are very premium, and they have very good decorative and anti-counterfeit features, and something which is not commonly available in the Indian market in terms of having a differentiated feature. I think our decision to approach the tube that we know conventionally in a completely different way is sort of something that sets us different amongst all competition. So conventionally, the printing in tubes happen in flexography on surface printing, and we do it a completely different way with rotogravure and reverse printing. And that's something which makes our tube unique compared to all the other manufacturers, not just here in India, but also globally. The second factor is because we do it in reverse printing and we uniquely, make the laminate in house. It allows us to inbuilt features like holography, different barrier properties compared to what's available in the market. Being a regular participant at CMPL as an exhibitor, we truly believe that this adds a lot of value to suppliers like us and our customers as well. It's become a platform where you now have a very rich library of exhibitors, both from the raw material, the packaging, the contract manufacturers, the fillers, and therefore anyone who intends to, let's say, do a startup, maybe in a matter of hours can fix up his entire supply chain, sourcing, and just walk away with the business, ready to serve his customer. I think that's been truly differentiating features. And with the location being in Mumbai, it also has got access to a lot of exhibitors from west, from south, also from north. So it's been quite rewarding for us, both meeting our customers and also allowing us an opportunity to meet our own customers. So it's sort of a both way advantage for us, and we look forward to coming back here again. Well, I'm short of words. Maybe amazing is a good savior for me.